International conference with wonderful experts and eminent people from both within the country and from abroad who have agreed to share this afternoon with us. A dream has also come true, friends. We are now a formal structure which we had promised to all of us the last time we had met. We have called it the Pan IIT Gujarat Alumni Association. It has been incorporated with the ATG benefits and with the same team of very dedicated numbers who have steered us all through these last 5 years and who are now our initial founding governing council members. This group will steer us in the initial years of our formal formation to give strength, shape and financial stability and a clear role with an open platform for each one of us IITians who wants to contribute to development in whichever way he believes. They have been in the background assisting in organizing all such events for all of us. I have pleasure in reminding you that the 10 are the resourceful and compassionate Mr. Mulli Ranganathan, the quiet and efficient Mr. Sujit Gulati, IAS, who is currently Commissioner in the Government of India and has not been able to come, soft-spoken and IT guru Mr. Vinod Rathi, I don't know where Vinod is, energetic and well-meaning Mr. Rakesh Kumar, who is from IIT Kharagpur. He is an entrepreneur, is also a shipbuilder. Mr. Anil C. Mathur, a technologist from ISRO. The loving Kathiawadi, Mr. Yogesh Kathrecha from Rajkot. I think he's waiting to receive the Chief Secretary who has also agreed to join us for this meeting. And the NGO man, Mr. Ronak Shodhan of Shodhan family, who is also waiting outside. The young and the very creative entrepreneur, Mr. Jeet Win from Baroda. And the very helpful and supportive Mr. Pradyumna Vyas, who is Director of NID and also holder of several patents personally globally. Vinod is here, Vinod Rathi is here and has taken the leadership and has developed along with Anirudh a very highly interactive, modern, state-of-the-art, easy-to-use website. All of you have used it at the time and we seek your suggestions to improve further. We have also made a start at organizing an event called Swagat for all new graduates from all IITs who come to Gujarat every year. And this we started last year and it has meant a lot for the newcomers who want to settle down when they move to different cities in Ahmedabad and in different places of Gujarat. Friends, now there are 15 IITs and this number that are coming to Gujarat are likely to increase. And we have now started networking with the new IITs that have also been formed to be able to get access to their alumni, to their recruitment and placement database so that we can track their placements when they happen. Friends, we are also getting financially stronger. This will enable us to take the take the task of bringing in new technologies and innovations in the state of Gujarat to assist development seriously and meaningfully now. You will see towards the end of the program when our Honorable CM, Mr. Modi, will be here, the kind of work that our fellow IITians in Gujarat have agreed to undertake to take this very seriously with new ideas that are extremely interesting. One of the areas that would be of great interest to our valuable donor, Raju Bhai and Sandra Shroff, both of whom are present here personally today, having specially come from Bombay for this program, is our promise of the preparation of a compendium of green technologies relevant to Gujarat. That can actually be the foundation of taking our chemical industry away from the end of the pipeline treatment type of solution once and for all. Knowing their commitment to this cause, I am sure it would delight them to know that this undertaking of ours to pursue this seriously is with their funds. It is also a matter of joy to share with you that Zydus Cadila Healthcare Limited of Pankaj Bhai Patel, Suzlon of Tulsi Bhai Tanti, represented here by Alok Das and Harish Bhai, and Torrent Power of Sudhir Bhai, represented here by Murli Ranganathan, have also supported our cause and commitment to bring new ideas, innovation, new technologies to Gujarat in several fields spanning agriculture, oil and gas, skill upgradation, castor development, nanotechnology, visioning of mid Gujarat belt as a transportation hub, and 9 other areas. These are all areas of declared interest by the government to us. And the Chief Minister has formally extended the government's arm to work with us in a mission mode with them to help modernize and bring innovation in Gujarat. I would also like to recognize a few people as we go along in this conference. Setting the context of development for the conference, I wanted to share a few slides with you, the same slides that I had once shared in one of the Chintan Shibir's, Hasmukh Bhai that we had organized about 2 years ago with the government. First slide, please. Let me first begin now, next, with goodwill messages that have been given for this conference from Professor Devang Khakkar, Director, and who has said that, he wishes all of us very well as we go forward in this occasion today. Next. We have a message from IIT Delhi from Mr. Surendra Prasad, also wishing us for this conference the very best. Next. We have a message from Professor D. Acharya, the director from IIT Director Kharagpur, who was actually originally planning to come here. But there is a major conference between the Indo-US Education Foundation that has taken 4 of the directors who had confirmed for our program into those programs in Delhi. Next. We have a message from Professor Sanjay Dhande, IIT Kanpur Director, also wishing us the very best for this occasion. Next. We have from IIT Roorkee, Director Professor S.C. Saxena, who also is in the same board, where he had also confirmed and was then pulled away to Delhi for the US conference. And there the conference, the messages had gone from Honorable Minister Mr. Kapil Sibal, and therefore it was very difficult for them to say no in spite of having committed to us prior. We also have a message from Dr. M.S. Anand from the IIT Chennai, IIT Madras, wishing us well. Next. And the last message is from Professor Madhusudan Chakravarti, who also wishes us well. Friends, I would also like to recognize Professor S.K. Jain, Director of IIT Gandhinagar, who is personally here also to bless us and guide us as we go forward with our alumni. Next.